Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Today's video is regarding three ticker symbols. The first one is AMC, the next one is CLOV, and the third one will be Wish. And all of the three stocks are really people's favorite stock because this thing goes a lot, very volatile, but at the same time it can make a lot of money for you. So if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, you can always join my community because this is so easy. You just go and click on join. You pay $3 per month, which is 10 cents per day, and you get member specific posts with trade ideas, with support, resistance, at what price you should get in, when you should get out, and what are the things that are running so that you can easily make money. And during the day I post a lot of comment and posts here in my community board. So again, you are welcome to join if you really want to get member specific things. So first of all, AMC, CLOV, and Wish. And the favorite thing for Reddit community, look at the chart here. So first one is Wish, then we have AMC and CLOV. So yeah, within the first floor we are covering these three because these are Wall Street Bet's favorite stock. And you know that the Wall Street Bet, the Reddit community, they like to pump the stock, and especially if they have a very high short interest, they love to take it very high and they bring it down. Anyway, the green ones are positive sentiment and the red one is a negative sentiment, so you can see the variation. So first of all, AMC, yeah, it was down by 4% on Friday, but what happened after hours? It is up by 1.8%. You can see it came down, but later of the day it was going up, and again after hour it was going sideways. And I have been watching AMC for some time, and I have been making post AMC to buy the dip and see what happens. So in my channel I talked about it way before, and we were talking because you see here, because it has a massive run up, then the blue line, I had it last time. I was saying that okay, watch this, either we go up or we go down. If we go down, these are the support for you to buy back. So when it was coming down, I was just telling my members, okay, time to buy. So one important support was around 52 area, we broke it. Then the next one was 48, and it was so nice to see that Friday it bounced back from 48. After 48 we have 42, but most probably AMC will not come back to 42. And why I'm saying, look here, this is the hourly candle. So the hourly candle is showing that each time it is making higher lows. So it was a low here, then the next hour the low was here, then here and here and here, and now it is sitting at here. Very nice to see. Also look at the RSI at a 1 hour candle. You see it was oversold at one point. The RSI was only 23 and then it bounced back. So if you bought it at 48, then it is now at 52. So again, a very quick swing trade, and definitely I have been buying at 48, and if it comes back to 42, definitely I will just add more. Also look at the MACD at hourly, it is pointing upward. Okay, so that's the thing. So what can happen? Again, what can happen if it goes over 52 again? I think this thing will continue again. The important thing is the area of 60. You can see so many times it was rejected from 60. It went up over 60, it came down. So a very important battle to win to break 60 resistance. I think once 60 is broken, this thing will go towards 63 and more. But the good thing is it consolidated for so long within a range, and the longer the price is above 50, 60, this area, the shorts, they have to pay the interest, and one time there will be a shorty squeeze. But the main thing is the apes, they have to hold. If they can hold, this thing will tumble. So again, I'm very interested to see what will happen this coming week. But again, if it comes back to 48 or even 42, I will just buy more and more. But things are looking really nice. Instead of 1 hour, if I move back to 15 minutes, I can show you how this is moving, right? You see, came down, went up, came down, went up, and the last 15 minutes was really looking good because a solid push. The important thing is we have to break through that 52.7, let's say 53 mark, then it will go even higher. Looking at the option volume expiring on July 9th, still I see lots of open interest. You see here, there is open interest for 60 strike price and lots of call options. So whatever will be in the money, they will be exercised, and then shares need to be purchased. Instead of July 9, if we look at July 16th, what we can see, again, Look at the numbers here. Look at the numbers. Strike 60, 16,000 call options are waiting. Seems like strike 60 is a very important barrier. And also looking at the chart, you can easily see that 16 is a very important place because it was rejected at 60 so many times. So there's the big battle. Strike 60. I'm just holding. If it comes down, I'm buying more. I'm averaging up. Okay, the next one is CLOV, and we are also covering. We have been covering CLOV almost every other day, and we love this particular stock. So again, it was down by 5% on Friday, but again after hour it was up almost 1%. So let's see what happened. The important thing is look at the last days of action. So it came down, it found a floor around 11.5. It had 1 2 3 bottoms, then it started going up. It again came down, but the good thing is end of the day you see some kind of rally and big volumes here. Sorry, I just want to show you the volume here. Look at the volume here. So end of the day some volume came, it tried to push it up, but again not too much, not too getting excited. Let's see what will happen on this coming Tuesday. And what about yeah, why you are running? Okay, and I also have two lines here. You can see the green line here, this is the 100-day moving average. Sorry, not day, this is 30-minute candle, and the purple one is 200, and you can see that the 100 is getting down. So again, I can't say what will happen, but this is what's happening. But look at the 1 hour chart here. Look at the RSI, it was oversold, it came below 30. And also look at the MACD here, things are curling, most probably it will go up, but on a 1 hour chart you can see it came down below 11.7. In this particular channel I have been talking about the 12.5 and 11.7 areas because these are very important. Last time it came to 12.5, it went up, and this time when it came here we said this is our buy zone. You see the box here, this is the buy zone, and we came back all the way to 11.7, and seems like we are bouncing off on an hourly candle. So as long we bounce off and we go over 11.8 area, I think this will be a good one. It will go run towards 12.5. But again, we have been deep buying, but also it is important for you to see that if it comes down, it can come down all the way to $10. So again, when you are doing deep buying, do not go heavy, keep some money in case it comes to $10. And I think in a short term this thing can go around $14-15. Again, lots of articles, lots of YouTubers talking about the short interest and everything, but definitely if there are less shares available, things are different. Anyway, we are doing swing trading, we are just buying here, selling here, so we have been making money and we are happy with the CLOV stock movement. So these are the support, resistance. Keep an eye, and you need to know when to buy, when to sell. Maybe this is a very good area to buy, but if you see Tuesday it comes down, maybe wait for this to come down around 10. If it goes up, very good, just load up because this thing will go up again. And lots of hype, lots of Reddit activity, and again pump. Don't forget last time it was around here $11, it went all the way to $28, $29 and came down. The last one for today is Wish. It was again down by almost 5%. So Friday almost everything came down, so that is okay. But the after hour it was up by 1.1%, and the after hour price was 11.78. So look at the chart for last day. You see it went up, came down, and it found a support around 11.7 area, moved sideways. Nothing very exciting, but again after hour and entire day it was just moving sideways around 11.7, 11.8 area. So again, a very good opportunity for doing some deep buying. Look at the hourly candle, it came around 30, below 30, so it was oversold, it came here. But look at the MACD, the blue line is about to cross, so hopefully it will just bounce back again. And we have been deep buying because these are the support we have. It was going up, the blue line, you see it was the trend going up, and I said if it bounced off that line and goes up, it means the uptrend is continuing. But now you see it has been coming down, so we were waiting patiently. So I added more share around $12, but it came below 12, but it seems like it might have found a support around 11.6. I'm okay if 11.6 is intact, otherwise this thing can come back all the way to $11 area. I'm also okay for 11 because if it comes down, I'm just adding more and more. Don't forget, it had a massive run up from $7, it went all the way to $15. You made a lot of money. it came down and again it went to 15, so definitely 15 is a very important resistance, but now it is coming down. We will see how much it comes down. Do not go heavy again. If it comes down more, just add more. But to me, $10 is a very important area. Why? Let's see here. I made a video previously why 10 is the important area. You see there was a gap, it came down, then we went through this particular one, so this thing can come down again to 11 or 10, but as long 10 is held, I'm happy. I'm just adding more and more because it has a nice price target by Nasdaq, I think 18 to $20, and at one point this stock was around $30. You see here it was around here $30. It came down, it went to 15, but again on a near to short term, I think 15 would be a very good price target. Once 15 is broken, I think this thing will definitely go towards 20. So I'm holding my shares. I bought more shares at 12. I will just wait. If it comes down to 11 or even 10, I will buy more. So 10 would be my heavy buy zone area. For 11, I will just watch whether it is going sideways. I will just wait and then I will decide. And definitely for the community members, they will get an update should we buy, sell, or hold or anything. Anyway, I found another article here that Wish is a quintessential meme stock with an eroding path to profitability, a material short interest, a pending class action lawsuit, and soaring popularity on Reddit. It talks about so many things. I don't want to go there, but let's see the last two one. Of course, nowadays it has become a trend to pump anything with a high short interest, we know. As per the tabulation by market beat context logic, which is Wish, SI is only 5.38%, which is not that high. Moreover, in its days to cover is only 0.4. So the shorts will get only 0.4 days. In light of this figure, I'm extremely skeptical of a miraculous short squeeze. It also talks about something else. Everything looks like a nail to a hammer. A generation of Reddit investors is now being trained to view anything with a material short interest as a potential short squeeze. Such investors fail to take into account that often a sizable SI is a function. So perhaps these investors would realize their folly when its current fund ends in tears. Until then, keep pumping. I'm not gonna say I agree or not agree. The important thing is these things are momentum plays. Keep that in mind. CLOV went from 11 to 28. It was a moment. It went up, came down. Not necessarily CLOV will go back to 28 next day. These are momentum. These are the momentum thing. So when it goes up, take your profit, get out. When it comes down, you buy. If you know the price target, if you know this is a long-term stock, then you buy the dip, you sell here. But do not think CLOV will maintain 28, Wish will maintain 30, AMC will maintain whatever. So again, these are the short-term thing. Lock your profit. At the same time, you have to use you need to know how to use trailing stop loss. So if it goes higher, you just lock your profit, it comes down. Anyway, my friend, I do not want you to hold what you call bag holder. So definitely if you buy really at the top, average down, get out, or you need to know what you are doing, but just do not go with the flow and you will become a big bag holder and you can't trade anymore. So anyway, we will talk more about these bag holding and how to do your proper risk management. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my community to get member specific comment, charting, trade ideas and everything. And it costs only $3 per month, which is 10 cents per day. Thanks for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.